Getting a new Tesla is extremely exciting, but something that's most exciting than getting your new Tesla is making sure that you're taking care of it. Today's sponsor, Test Studios, has provided us with a 6-piece floor mat to protect your Tesla from everything. The 6-piece includes everything from the front to your trunk to your main passenger to your pilot to your rear seat. Pretty much all the parts that would get dirty in your car are fully protected. Be sure to use my discount code C3SGarage at teststudios.com and enjoy a beautiful discount for your new floor mats. Moving into installation, these are beautiful floor mats. They have a big lip for any spillage. They also have a thread to control the leakage if there's any spills or is there any dirt. Installation is just as easy as installing, well, formats. It should not take you more than 10 minutes to install any of these formats. There's no clips, there's nothing to it. They're laser cut, which means that they fit your car perfectly, and these are specifically made for your Tesla Model Y. You also get a nice floor mat for your front, which is extremely weird to say because that's where your engine should go and you're putting floor mats in it, which is extremely weird, as I said. But it definitely looks very nice. Moving into the rear, you have a single piece floor mat that covers pretty much your whole area for the footwell and everything that you will need to avoid any spillage in your carpet or anything. If you have kids, this is a must, as you will be able to finally take care of your car and have peace of mind when you're driving and there's something in the back happening that you can't control while you're driving. I also have floor mats in my Model Y, and I think it's just a great addition to have in your car because it'll make your car last that much longer. Moving into the rear, we have a giant floor mat that's very good for protecting anything else that you put, specifically groceries and anything else that you may want to put in your trunk. It's also worth pointing out that this has a very nice cutout for you to easily access your rear cubby, and you have a floor mat for that particular portion as well, which I think is amazing and great attention to detail. It's also funny to point out that I don't really ever use this portion of the car, as this car has just so much storage. It's just one of those things that I never think about, but you do have storage there, and now you have a floor mat to add more things in there. With that being said, these are a great addition to your car. I know this is not something spectacular to showcase on, but it is something that is a must on your car. With that being said, thank you so much guys for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please do get your floor mats from teststudios.com. Use my discount code C3SGarage, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.